Okay, my name is Ryan Gesueli, and for my Doing Real Science experiment, I decided to go with the spinning pie dish experiment from Chapter 2. Now, all you'll need for this experiment is a pencil that you secure firmly to a piece of stationary furniture like a chair or a table, as you can see. And then the only other thing you'll need is your plate or your dish, basically anything in this shape. I went with a paper plate because it would be the least destructive if it fell. Now, the way this experiment works is because the dish is balanced, as you can see, it has rotational inertia. And torque is going to be what gets it spinning and what stops it from spinning. So when I twist, maybe not like that, but kind of as you can see, when I twist the dish, the torque that I exert gives the dish an angular impulse and spins it with a certain amount of angular momentum. So pretty much if the pivot had no friction or no air resistance, it would continue to spin because it would have nowhere to put that angular momentum. It wouldn't lose it. But because of the friction in the pivot, it exerts a small bit of torque that eventually slows it down. Now, as this torque transfers from the dish to the pencil and to the chair and even to the earth, the dish slows down to a halt. And basically how this works is that the sharper the pivot and the smaller the contact area between the pencil and the dish, as you can see, the less frictional torque the dish experiences as it spins. And because the dish is upside down, it has very little gravitational potential energy and is easy to stabilize, as you can see. So basically, if it begins to tip, as we kind of can see here, you can kind of make that out, the dish's average height rises along with its gravitational potential energy. And the reason for this is because objects naturally accelerate towards the direction that lowers their potential energy, and the dish quickly balances after being disturbed, as you can see. Okay, well, that about does it for my Doing Real Science experiment. Thank you very much.